YouTube, full YouTubers, whatever. I'm building a board track bike, make it look like an older style. Here's what the frame is gonna be made out of. I cut up a Next mountain bike, and frame was a little dirty, and I'm gonna take a bar and bend it and weld it, make it go down from right there, maybe cut it right at the E right there, and take something, make it go swoop down a little bit more, and weld that all up and reuse this, take off the pedals and the shock, and just weld that back on there. Here's some of my tire selections, and for mount, I'm going to use a railroad thing. This will obviously sit like right there. So it'll obviously be a V-bike, but you know, it's gotta be strong, because the motor I'm using for it might come out of this Yamaha Blaster, or I might just keep this one in here and get a new motor. So yeah, it's just one of my many projects, so keep you updated.